What's up, guys? Welcome to another JD show. Today I wanted to compare Pop Race and Kaido House again. Yes, today we have the brand new Kaido House Hako here in two different colors. This one was the first release, and here we have the second release, and we're gonna compare these to Pop Race version of the Skyline Hako. Yeah, I've seen a picture where someone showed two Pop Race Hakos, I think, and the Kaido House Hako, and they looked quite similar from the silhouette, and I wanted to check the size. I wanted to make a size comparison. So here we have the Kaido Hako. This is actually a replica of the real car Jun Imai is driving. You can see here with the white body work. Here these headlight covers, and also an opening hood. That's maybe the maximum. Here in the front you can see it's a separate piece with these cables. Also I have this little wing here, also a separate piece. Then these very nice rims here, side mirrors made of, I think it is rubber, made of rubber. Then we also have a racing cage on the inside, and the Kaido House purple base, and it is rolling pretty sweet. The exhaust also a separate piece. The tail lights very nice. So let's check one of the Pop Race ones. You know, this is made after a real car from Daigo Saito. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. This is like a drift version of a Hako. You can see exhaust system very different. Then here with the Pandem Rocket Bunny body kit, carbon fiber here in the front. Also a very similar wing here, also separate piece, different tail lights, bumper, opening back, and also the opening front. There you go. And yeah, it is working differently. You can actually see that, and it is also rolling pretty good. So let's check the other two models. Let's put them here on the turntable. here you go. The second version of the Kaido House Hako. See here, different front without the covers, the headlights, and in a more pure paint job. Still with a red cage on the inside. Kaido House decal here in the front. Different wheels and everything. Also the opening hood and an accurate engine. Looks also very nice. And it's also very nice that it's open here in the base. So if you have problems with opening the hood, you can put something very small from the base to push the hood open. And you can also see here these small wipers on the windshield, chrome on the outside of the glass. Also very nice detail. Here the Advent livery on the Hako from Pop Race. So maybe we will see the Kaido House version also in Advent design, so would be a bit easier to compare these two. Yeah, let's check them side by side. Close the hood so you can see it on the white version a bit better. Very different in the front. The gap here from the hood is a bit bigger. Let's check it like this. You can already tell the Kaido House one is bigger. It is wider and bigger. Let's check if we can put it maybe here. If that is good to see. The height of the car. Yeah, I would say they look nearly the same. Let's check the roof. But if you check the length of the car, the Kaido House is definitely longer. You can see it here. Like this. It is also a bit wider. Yeah, I will include some shots on the turntable here maybe, so that you can see the height of the car better, and maybe the length of the car when they stand really side by side. I hope you can see it clearly here. then here, when we have these two racing versions also on the turntable, I would say the Kaido House is a bit higher. It is really a bit higher, but not really much. And the silhouette from the side is nearly the same. The Kaido House is just a bit longer, maybe 1 millimeter or 2. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video here. Just a little comparison. Let me know in the comments which model do you prefer. Do you have all these models already? Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it and just have a great day.